Curving left. Curving left. Curving left. You're going straight.
Oh, I thought you meant the left.
That's straight. Now when we make this right, first lane, then we have to lane change over to the left one time.
So turning in this one and then lane changing.
Yep. That's wrong. Check it. Let's go. Now lane change left. Boom, boom. And we're curving left. Curving left. Curving left. You're going straight.
Oh, I thought you meant the left.
That's straight. You didn't go left at all.
I thought you meant left, like on the lane.
No, I said curve left. Hold it down. Let's go. Stay in your lane up the center. Slowing it down as we curve to the right. Switch it, curve it. Gas it through. There you go. Lane change to the right, one safe. Changing to the right, one safe. Good job. Lane change to the right again, one safe. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. We don't stop on the exit ramp. There you go. They stop and wait for us.
Right.
Now you start cruising because we're going to lane change to the right, moving ahead. Check it. Check it, check it. You ain't checked that blind spot. Get it over. We got to get it over again. We're making a right up there. Check it, check it. Get it over. Keep it up. Make our right. Stay close to the right. First lane. There you go. Up here we're going to be making the right. Not too bad, right?